Get your sunglasses and suntan lotion ready because you're going to need it. We've got some LEDs here. We got a light bar. We've got these headlights and we got tail lights. They are so bright, you're not going to want to get a sunburn. Yeah, you're going to need this stuff. You're going to need your sunglasses and suntan lotion. Oh, yeah. Yeah. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe. It's free. And join me on the other side where I put these LEDs in this Fordyce. Welcome to Henry's RC Garage. We've got the Phoenix transformation build going on still, and today we are going to be putting in our LED lights. This is the Incision 2 light kit from Vanquish. It says Phoenix here. However, it fits the Fordyce because it's the same setup. So with that, I did put some sheathing on this. I don't know if you call it wire loom or whatever you call it. Just to hide the red and black wires. So when you put them on the bed, you won't see the wire. You'll just see the black in here because this is like all open. So with that, we did install our light bar. And with the light bar, this is the Proline 5-inch ultra slim bar. Which kind of fits kind of good on this. It's not too big, not too small. With that, we did put in 4 cap head screws. These are the M2 by 8mm cap head screws. And then we used 4 or 8 washers, but we used 4 on the outside between the mount and the body because of the little lip here, this little lip right here, just so that it accounted for that and it didn't kind of fold the mount over and make it more, put some tension on that and break it if it's in the cold or whatever when it rolls over or something. So anyway, we kind of have a similar setup underneath. What we did underneath, we put 4 of these M2 lock nuts on. I don't know if you can see that or not. Up in there, we got 4 of those, 1 for each side, 2 for each side. And underneath that, we did put 4 washers, flathead up washers. In there. And then for our power cable, we drilled a hole about where the center of the cab is. And then all we did was we took the servo connector off. We just kind of used a like a screwdriver slash you could use a X-Acto knife and just lift up these there's little tabs here. You just lift up the tabs, pull the wires up, throw the wires in through the hole, and then put the servo connector back on. So what we're going to do now is we're going to install these lights in this truck. Did you miss out getting the VS410 Pro from Vanquish before they discontinued them? If you didn't, well, you can't get them now. Nope. You might be able to find one at a local hobby shop. You might be able to find one on the eBay, but chances are the ones from eBay will have been opened or they have been built. So kind of used. The local hobby shops may have one. They'll still be sealed, but you're just not going to be able to get it anymore. However, if you watched any of my videos in the direction I was going with this Fordyce, well, you can still buy the parts. Yeah, the parts. The only difference between this Fordyce build and the Pro are the F9 axles versus the Curry axles that I put on the Fordyce. So, yeah. But I've got my Pro here. You cannot get this Pro. It's not for sale, by the way. And I'm trying to keep this thing clean because you can't get it anymore. You just can't. Anyway, this thing was a fun build as well. It's got, like I said, the F9 axles. I've had it out a few times. It's got a Castle motor in it versus a Holmes Hobby. Other than that, it's a pretty good truck. But this Fordyce transformation, it is now called the Fordyce Pro. Well, why not? In all essence, it is a Pro. The transmission is identical to the one I have in the Pro. Like I said, the only differences are the axles, F9 versus Curry. All right, now we've got our lights installed. We've got the front, and then we got the rear. The rears are installed now. And we can control it from our remote. There you go. Yeah, so we took out these little light buckets from the Fordyce behind the grill here. And then we also took off these so we can put our rock lights on. And that's pretty much what we have here now. We have the lights. Now we can go out in the dark and roam around. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video where I've installed the LEDs into the Fordyce. The light bar, you can turn on and off now. You got the headlights, you can turn on and off now. It's also got the tail lights. I'm not showing you here. But if you've caught my last comment, I am now calling this the Fordyce Pro. Well, why not? In all essence, it's the same as the VS410 Pro, just improved. Maybe it's just the axles, I don't know. Anyway, if you've liked this video, please hit the like button. Hit the subscribe if you haven't done so already. Hit that notification bell so that you will receive a notification the next time I upload a video. And I will catch you on the next one.